So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome if you're brand new. My name's Simran and I like to make videos on various different things: travel, fashion, makeup, reviews, luxury. So if that's something that you're into, perhaps consider subscribing, hitting the like button, maybe the notification button. Oh my god, let's get into today's exciting video. Christmas season is upon us once again, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm assuming you guys are probably the same, where we're thinking about Christmas presents and what to buy and who to buy for. King Black Friday because it's around the corner. So for this part of the video, I have been lucky and fortunate and grateful enough to be partnered up with, once again, with Ana Luisa, and they have kindly gifted me some items today, which I will share with you guys, and also they have kindly gifted me a discount code to give you guys for Black Friday. So without further ado, Ana Luisa is renowned for its exceptional quality. It has long-lasting pieces which are crafted with care. They also believe in fair prices, so no luxury markups. They have items that start from about £39. They use only the best noble metals, and they are also carbon neutral. So they offset 100% of our carbon emissions, starting with sourcing of our raw materials all the way to the disposal of our pieces, meaning we give back for everything we take. Think of it like fair trade with Mother Nature. I mean, how sweet that they are actually, like I said, thinking about us, thinking about the environment, thinking about the future of our children. So it's something that I appreciate, that a brand has gone to so much care. And so, as you know, with Ana Luisa and myself, if you watched any of my previous videos, I am a type of shopper who likes to purchase things that are sustainable. So I'm not really into fast fashion. And with Ana Luisa, they are also extremely into sustainability, which in the long term is good for you and me as the consumer, but also as a company, it's a fantastic idea to have. And because our beliefs match about sustainable fashion, I just thought they are obviously the perfect brand to be partnered up with. And I just feel really grateful. So thank you, Ana Luisa. I really truly do appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing, and I feel grateful that you've thought or even chosen. So as far as their pricing is concerned, they have excellent price ranges. They have items that start from £39 upwards, so there's something for everyone. And obviously, because I am linking a discount code for you guys, so you guys will receive a further discount on the purchase as well, which is good news because then you can buy more, right? So yeah, now let me show you some of the pieces. Before I do, just to let you know, I'm going to actually link all the items that I'm about to show you with the website and also the discount code as well. My discount code, before I forget, will be SimranBF. So I know you guys have seen this necklace before, which I did actually unbox with you guys in my last video, and also the bracelet, which I'm still wearing. You probably noticed me wearing this necklace in some of my videos as well. Also these gorgeous earrings. Let me just take one of them off for you guys, because you guys just need to see like the detail. So can you see the craftsmanship, the quality that has gone into this beautiful earring? And I just think it kind of like, look, example, like I don't really have anything now, but if I was to put this in, instantly, I just feel like it adds. As you can tell, the pieces are very delicate, but they're very impactful. Like the next piece. So, as you know, Ana Luisa does actually send all of their jewelry in this gorgeous pouch, like so. These ones I haven't actually worn yet, and I figured I wanted to show you guys exactly how the package arrives. So you get the beautiful recycled Ana Luisa box that has your little message in there, and then you have your gorgeous pouch here, and inside are the earrings. So can you see how they've carefully wrapped the earrings? And so they're carefully wrapped in plastic. You have the back beautiful message which says hope, love, create. And I haven't actually tried these ones on yet. The plastic packaging off the earrings. And I think that is such a good touch because you don't want anything getting damaged. But look at that, guys. Stunning. Actually, let's try it on. Ooh, I like that. So that was my mini share with you guys. So like I said, I will link the items below in the description box. I will also link the discount code. Also, I will link Ana Luisa's website. And once again, Ana Luisa, I'd like to say thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for choosing to partner up with me for this portion section of the video. Summary, guys, I think the jewelry is beautiful. I think it creates a statement, but it's not too much. Obviously, who doesn't like a discount code? I think it'll make the ideal present. I think as far as stacking is concerned, sometimes you guys have probably seen me in my previous videos where I have actually used this bracelet and mixed it with my other bracelets. So you will be able to wear these items with other items. Yeah, let's get into today's second part of my video. Right, so this segment of my video, basically, I'm not the kind of person who really talks about my birthday because I feel like, you know, I'm kind of over it. It's overhyped. Birthdays are birthdays. But I figured this year is something that for all of us, I think has been a big realization that we need to be more grateful and more thankful and more considerate and just grateful that, you know what, we get to see another day, because a lot of people have lost their lives this year. And normally, like I said, birthdays aren't a thing, but because of what's happened this year, I just figured I really do need to appreciate every single day that I get to see. So I thought I'd share one of my birthday presents with you. So I have had my birthday. It's gone a few days back, and it was one of my presents, and this is something that I had always wanted. So this is like one part of my portion of my present, and I was really surprised that they were able to get it for me and that it was in stock, and now that I'm the proud owner of it. So let's unbox it. Well, it's not unboxing, it's reveal, but you know, let's have a look. So here she is. So as you know, with the Louis Vuitton boxes, it comes in a brown box and like this. So I've retied it for you guys because I thought we can open it together again because it's so exciting. So literally you have the beautiful blue ribbon, and it was something that I had wanted for like ages. And I got the box. Slide open, you've got your, you know, information, like your thank you. Slide it open, you've got your thank you and your sign stuff that comes in here. And then you open it, and then you've got the gorgeous dust bag. So this box is not magnetic, it's a slide box. It's a box that my bandeau kind of gave in. So it's very similar to the bandeau box. You slide it open, and then here she is. And it's the Pochette Felicie. So inside the pochette, you do receive, you've got the gorgeous red. It's not red, it's more of a burgundy red interior. Sorry, I just saw something out of the wood, huh? So you've got the gorgeous burgundy interior. And also the best thing that I love about the Felicie is the actual, you get like a gorgeous gold chain. As you can tell, detail on the actual clasp of the chain. You have the Louis Vuitton sign logo on both sides. I don't know if that's coming up clearly. And then you have this beautiful chain once again on the other side, again with the logo on both sides. Best thing about this chain, it is actually detachable, so you can actually put the chain, take the chain off, and also put the chain back on. Inside this gorgeous bag, you receive a pouch, gorgeous pouch that also shares the beautiful interior, but this actually is wipeable. And then you've got the monogram, and obviously just like with everything else with Louis Vuitton, the actual LVs, they always line up, which is great. You also do receive the card holder as well, which is a really nice rich color. Got lots of space inside. You've got lots of, there's how many? I think there's 10 cards I think you could probably put, if not more. And then you've got the beautiful Louis Vuitton stamp there. And then obviously you've got a lot of space. There's a back pocket here as well. Inside you've obviously got the coated fabric cowhide leather trim tag. So there's a pocket in the back there. And mine is actually made in Paris, which I'm really excited about. There is also a date stamp. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see. But there's a little, tells you where it's actually when it was made, right in the corner there. But it's very sort of snug in the back there. So I don't really want to pull on it because I don't want to rip anything. But yeah, so as far as the bag is concerned, there's a lot of room in there. I think this is fantastic to cover your basics. It's quite spacious, to be fair. I like the fact that you can remove the strap, you can add other straps to it. I just feel like, you know, like with how less is more, people don't carry a lot. I feel like this is big enough for someone like myself to carry all my essentials. And like I said, you can dress this up. We'll kind of make a simple outfit just look a little bit more glamorous. So once again, you get the pouch, you've got the pouch, which I think in this I'd probably put like my lipsticks and stuff, like my cosmetics, like if I wanted to take any lipstick so it doesn't anything get damaged. I don't really think I would use the big card holder, but the bag itself, I just think it's brilliant. It's beautiful. It's fairly structured. And I feel like when a bag is structured, it gives it more of a luxe feel. So yeah, that was one of my birthday presents and I'm absolutely, totally obsessed with it. I just think it's so beautiful and I'm really grateful that it's in my possession now because I know it's such a difficult item to get a hold of. Even the actual lady said to me, because I was asking her a question about the strap, when the other strap will be in stock, because I needed it for this. She said to me, she said, you're very lucky that you were able to get a hold of this because a lot of people have been asking about this. So I do feel grateful and I love it and I think it will make a beautiful addition to my collection of mini bags. And yeah, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. I mean, if you'd like me to do what fits in the bag, please let me know because I would love to do that with you guys. Also, if you have one of these, let me know, how do you style it? Have you put any additional straps on it? Is there anything you'd recommend? Do I need to be careful as far as taking care of it? What do you think of this bag? Let me know below. So yeah, that was my mini unboxing. I'm just really grateful that I have this little beauty in my possession. I think it's a gorgeous bag. I look forward to getting lots of use out of it. And I feel like it's a sustainable type of bag as well. So it's something that you can kind of just clip on and you can just go. It looks great as a shoulder bag. It's going to look great as a crossbody bag. I think if you choose to put additional straps with it, I think that's going to also make it look really good. So yeah, I'm super grateful. So yeah, so that was my unboxing of my Pochette Felicie for you guys as well, and I will link this below for you guys as well. Once again, with the Ana Luisa code as well, I will link the code below for you guys below, and also the website and also the links to the items that I have in. So I hope you have a really great day. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch. It means the world to me. You guys are beautiful people. Thank you so much. And I really do appreciate every single one of you. So thank you. Bye.